Hi, welcome to Medico Toppers. So many aspirants are in need to know about the preparation of competitive exams. This is for you. In this video, we will be discussing some of the most crucial points to be considered for preparation of any of the competitive exams. Let's get started. The first thing is please be confident about your decision. Don't start with confusion. Being confident is the first step. Have faith in your decision and consider whether you truly need to crack the particular examination. And ask yourself the question: do you have a strong desire to work hard on this journey? If yes, then continue, otherwise, don't. Point number 2. This is about scheduling. Before scheduling your journey, learn the books and the syllabus so that you can study and ace the test. In light of that, create a plan to adhere to and get ready. Additionally, create your own schedule. Since everyone is unique, don't adhere to someone else's routine. If you adhere to someone else's timetable, it might not suit you. Another crucial thing to remember is to stick to your schedule. Don't cheat your schedule. Because you will feel more confidence if you follow the timetable. Next, know yourself. List your strengths and weaknesses to make a proper timetable. No one is more knowledgeable about you. You are aware of your advantages and disadvantages. You might be a master in a few subjects, but a few are tough for you. So you are the best one who is aware of which topic area requires more of your attention than others. Create a schedule based on that. And please focus on your areas of weakness to turn them into your strengths. And so now you are definitely ready to achieve. Next step is about using the creative learning techniques to address the challenges. We can easily get the answers if they are properly based on the concepts. But not everything is dependent on concepts. Certain things require rational thought, while others must be remembered by creating mnemonics. So they are the challenging things to get answers. In that situation, only creative learning will help you to remember the most difficult material on the syllabus. To help you remember them, create amusing mnemonics or stories, or use personification method. Next is so crucial: group study method. Studying in groups has both the benefits and drawbacks. Please choose your study partners carefully so that you can avoid any negative effects. Choose those who share your desire to succeed on the journey for that. If you accompany them on that journey, you can accelerate by combining your energy with their energies. They will assist you in identifying your strong points and strengthening your weaknesses. In the same way, you will also help them, so all of you will get benefits and crack together. Revision. Revision is equally as important as studying. The human brain is too complex for memorization. Preparation without revision for a long period will fail to shift the contents from your brain to long-term memory. Therefore, this revision is crucial for moving information from short-term memory to long-term memory. And again, for revision, your partner's help is equally important. Take help from your partners for time savings. Last but not the least, this is self-evaluation or self-assessment. For getting good scores, only preparation will not help. Along with that, hard work, smart work is crucial, which is attempting the mock tests. Attend so many MCQs before the actual examination to rectify the illusional mistakes and careless mistakes. And train yourself to note the clues and tricks in the questions as well as in the options. Therefore, regularly evaluate yourself to identify your errors so that you can steer clear of them on the final exam. Kindly follow these steps to crack your dream examination. All the best to all the aspirant.